Join me as I tackle the challenge of making the moistest Turkish Tres Leches cake. Tres Leches cake, also known as Pastel de Tres Leches, is a classic dessert that's known for its incredibly moist texture. The cake is made by soaking a sponge cake in a mixture of 3 types of milk: evaporated milk, condensed milk, and heavy cream. As the milk mixture is poured over the cake, it starts to absorb the liquid and transform into an incredibly moist dessert. The moment when the milk mixture is poured over the cake is the most exciting part of making tres leches. As the cake absorbs the milk, it becomes sweet and creamy that's irresistible. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know about your own baking experiences. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. By following these steps, you can create a tres leches cake that's incredibly moist and delicious.